We have made it, Iona.
Yay.
Struck tent really early. Iona has proved this morning that she can be up, strike tent and be out pretty quick. No more excuses now, Iona. But we come to Highcliffe Parkrun, and it is, as promised by all the people on the UK Parkrun tourist group, a beautiful spot for a parkrun, isn't it? The sun is shining, the skies are blue, the sea is glistening. Let's find out what the course is like. Can you hear him?
Thanks, Jim. That's Jeff from director.
Three, 2, 1, go! We're off, and what a view! As you come down the hill at the start, the sea view opens up in front of you. Ah, fabulous way to end our cycle touring holiday.
Chloe's not going in the sea though, because she might get a bit wet and it might take a while for her to dry out.
Iona was trying to claim that several days worth of cycle touring means that walking most of parkrun is definitely in order. I'm not so sure. I've got the sweeps, so, you know, maybe I'm the one in control. We shall see. But we're going out at the moment and then we turn back, and by the looks of it, we've got a hill to climb at that point.
I don't know, can I go?
The faster runner's back on their out leg again as Iona saunters her way towards the turnaround point at High Castle. Well, we've turned round at Highcliffe Castle Point, and now we're heading back the other way. And Iona has just had a shout out by somebody. Do you know who they are, Iona?
No. In my mind, they're a random human.
Somebody who knows who you are.
They look familiar almost, but I don't know.
They look familiar. Ah.
And so does the guy that's doing his 100th.
Well, Iona's watch is flat, so she actually has no idea that we've ticked off a mile. So I'll get the sweeps out for her, yes. I think. I'll be nice. There's a stream of runners out along the beach. The sun is glistening on the sea. This is a beautiful day to be doing the parkrun here. Feels fabulous. And I've actually just seen another runner here from Coventry from Sphinx Athletics Club. So we are just reaching the point where we go uphill, and I have promised Iona that she's allowed to walk this uphill bit. What a point, Iona. How's Chloe getting on with her first parkrun? She all right?
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
I don't know.
You can see the runners on the path back down below us. We continue to rise back up before dropping back down to there for a second lap. Oh. And in a moment, you can also munch on blackberries as well as haribo if you want a bit of sustenance on the way. Okay, and over we go, Iona.
First lap down the slope, second one straight ahead to the finish. First lap down the slope.
So there's a top tip if you're doing this park run. You need to make sure you're over on the right as you come towards the end of your first lap. So you can turn right to go around and do it again, while everybody else, those who are on their second lap, can carry on back towards the finish. Right, little more out section, and then we turn around and head back towards the castle. Well, as we turn round, up above us is the finish line, which we'll be coming back to once we've done another lap, isn't it, Iona?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying the views this morning?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're proper at the seaside here?
Yeah.
That's sort of beach, isn't it? It's lovely. Look at that speedboat going along. We've just seen swimmers out with their tow floats, enjoying their morning swim. Maybe we'll go certainly for a dip of our toes in that sea before we finish today. Oh, and we've reached 2 miles. I have to run for 0.4 of a mile in order to get a 2 mile sweetie. Aren't I mean, Daddy? There we go. One sweet.
Did you say I had to do 0.4?
Right, it's 0.3 something. On the side of us are the pillboxes, remains of defences during the Second World War along this coast. And just there are people's towels. We're out swimming in the sea at the moment. Well, the lady at the castle turnaround point has told us there is a castle up the top of the zigzag path just there, apparently with a very good coffee shop. So does that mean I am allowed to explore it if it's got a coffee shop, Iona? Iona doesn't trust me and castle hunting. There have been several occasions where I've said, oh, there's a castle, and we've not found the castle.
Or we've just had to go round and round and round because you have to go through a random pastor's garden.
So yes. I've lost trust on castle hunting, haven't I, Iona?
With you and as well.
Yeah, but I do like a castle.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're turning back up the hill to head towards the finish.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. Snacking on blackberries as we head towards the finish. Oh, just 0.2 of a mile to go now.
About 100 metres left, well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. There we go, 3, 2, 3. Well, there is a cafe right at the finish. Well, just a little walk up some steps from the beach, but it's £16.50 for a full-size breakfast with 2 of everything, and £14.50 for just a oneer. And no just straightforward sausage patties, are there, Iona? So we are going to try and find a slightly more, a little Adventure Time budget cafe, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, we surveyed the cafes, which all seem rather on the pricey side for us, didn't they, Iona? But we found a lovely little bakery, Shelley's Bakery, with a very affordable breakfast batch for £5.50. So that's what we've gone for. And now we're going to go and sit back by the beach to enjoy it, aren't we?
Yeah. I mean, it's a sandwich.
Why we're getting sandwich in our sandwich. Right, let's head back to the beach then. Oh, look at that. That's a decent breakfast batch, isn't it? Not bad for £5.50. Well, that breakfast was delicious, and the view was pretty good as well, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just looking out over the sea, sparkling in the distance.
Yeah.
Back out to the Isle of Wight. But we've
Been
cycled
over
over
there.
there. You've been over there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Over on the hover ferry, back on the normal ferry. So if you want to check out that adventure, then do check out the full adventure of our bicycle tour. But I hope you enjoyed our park and adventure. We're off for a splash in the sea maybe to finish our time here before catching the train home. See you on another little adventure soon.
Bye.